Hey everyone, welcome back. Look, we all know AI is everywhere now. But if you are working in an office or a school, Excel is still the daily reality, isn't it? But here's the problem. Most of us are still stuck using VLOOKUP. Honestly, VLOOKUP is old news. It's slow, it breaks easily, and it's a total headache when your data isn't perfect. In the next 6 minutes, I'm going to show you the VLOOKUP killer, XLOOKUP. It's faster, it's smarter, and it's going to make your life so much easier. I have got three quick examples for you to show why you should switch today. Let's jump right into the spreadsheet. Okay, first thing first, let's look at the basic search. We have a roll number and we want a score. So for that, we need, okay, so if I'm going to use the VLOOKUP, how we will do that? VLOOKUP, then select the lookup value, then up to this we have the score. Now count 1, 2, 3, give 3, then give 0 for the exact match. And that's how we can get the score that is there against the roll number. And now if the roll number is not existing, it gives an ugly NA, right? So we can use the XLOOKUP to make it more easy and more flexible. Okay, so let's find out the username using XLOOKUP. So for that, now the lookup value, now where this value is existing in row in the column A, right? So I have selected. Now return array, from where you wanted to get the score from the C column. Let's select that. And that's it. So roll number 55, total score is 60. You got that. That's so easy, isn't it? There are no coding, no stress. It just works. Now, this is the part which I'm going to show you basically blows people's mind. VLOOKUP has a massive flaw. It can only look to the right. If your name is on the left of your phone number, VLOOKUP is useless. You would have to cut and paste your column like a beginner. But look at XLOOKUP. I will select the phone number. Let me first copy any of the phone number. Now XLOOKUP. I'm selecting the phone number. That's my lookup value. Now I'm going to select where the phone number is in the D column. Now what we wanted to return, we wanted to return the name. Let's select the B column and that's it. I will get the name of the person using the phone number, right? So whether the lookup, like what we wanted to find out, if whether it stays in right or left, XLOOKUP will handle that. It will find instantly. This one feature alone is going to save you so much of manual work, isn't it? Last thing, and this is mostly for the professionals out there, nothing looks worse when a report full of NA errors. Because a name was misspelled or missing, usually you would need a second formula like if error to fix that when you are going with VLOOKUP. With XLOOKUP, it's having a built-in feature. Just add a comma at the end and type whatever you wanted to print in case the lookup value is not existing in your table. So let's try it out. Let's say we wanted to find out again with the roll number and the name. Okay. Now let's look up. This is where we are going to add our roll number. After that, where our roll number is existing in column A, selected what we wanted to return. we return the names, right? So selected that. Just after that, give a comma and mention not found, and that's it. It's 92. So it's giving you the Arjundas, right? So if it is, let's say, 101, not found. So you no need to use the if in a or any other function to display a specific or error message in case it's not there. And by this way, your sheet stays clean and professional. No more ugly errors. That's it for the day. You have basically retired the VLOOKUP, isn't it? If this made your life a little easier, please do me a favor. Hit the like button. It really helps a new channel like mine. I have put I will put the practice details in the description so you can try by yourself.